Just get off your ass, go out there and do it. I found this post by this random guy. I don't know. He's an acquisition entrepreneur, whatever that is. It's Youssef El Alame or Alami. Youssef, I hope I said it right. This image, the thinker versus the doer, it's so interesting. You have the typical thinker sitting on a bench, and then on the doer side, there's nobody there because there's footprints leading away from the doer. It was really cool what he said in the post, and I just want to read the post to you. He said, I spent many years in my head trying to feel confident first, but confidence isn't a feeling, it's a decision you back with action. I love that line. Confidence is a decision you back with action. You have to act your way into it. The longer I stayed stuck in my thoughts, the harder it became to trust them. I would replay every word, overthink every step, second guess every instinct. And the wild part, my clients were happy. They gave clear feedback. They trusted me, but I wasn't moving because I thought I had to feel sure before I acted. I don't believe that anymore. And here's the key phrases. I learned that doing is the fastest way to shift your energy. Even one small action can break a cycle of doubt because motion gives you evidence. Thinking only gives you more thinking. And I was like, this is exactly what Adam and I talk about all the time. You have to bring yourself to action. We meet with so many people. Like you talked about that proposal of that construction company, development company, whatever they are, they're building houses, father and son's team. And one of the brothers is so like, you're going to tell us what to spend our money on, right? Like you're going to tell us what to do. And we said, no, the process is going to give you the certainty to know what to spend the money on. And that's because you're going to be so certain about taking the action, and you're just going to start taking actions and learn what you need to do next. And that's the thing that he's saying here is if you just keep thinking about it, you're just going to keep thinking over and over the same thoughts. And when you're stuck in your head, you can't execute anything. You can't develop that new product. You can't go out and make that next sale. You can't do any of that stuff because you're completely paralyzed. And the image of the thinker carved out in stone, if you think of that famous statue, the thinker's sitting there forever because he's paralyzed. He is stone. He is marble, whatever he is. Don't allow yourself to be turned into stone because you get trapped in your head constantly thinking. Allow yourself to just say, okay, I'm going to go do this thing. Just do the thing over and over. That's one of our phrases. Just do the thing. It's not easy, but it is simple. All you got to do is do one little action, and that will give you the momentum that you need to, as he said, get rid of the doubt. That action will give you momentum and motion. You'll create motion, and that motion gets rid of the doubt. When you're in your head, all you do is think about doubting. You create this reality where you become further insecure than you already be because you're not taking any action. No action is an action. When you sit there, that's your action. That's what you're doing. But we're saying to take a physical action. Go and make a move. Go and draw the thing. Go and lay out the plan. Do something because that will change the entire outcome and change whether or not you're sitting there paralyzed in marble for the rest of your life.